vent real quick. Yeah. From me to you from me. It's all the same thing, and this how it goes. I would've gave you the world until you started acting funny with me. Went up and down trying to figure out how I'm gonna win. I tried giving you room when you're not in the mood. It's 4 weeks later, we still ain't talk. I guess it's time to just move on to the next level of my life. As time goes by, faster than working on the night shift. I know you need my number on your phone just to waste time, but I ain't doing it no more. I need to get mine. I found a getaway to escape all the feelings I had inside. Never was able to tell you cause I was filled with my pride, but no, my love remain the same. Just let me know when you stop playing. I'm in the mixer, making things happen on a delay. So by the time you catch up, you know what's gonna happen. Might just lose interest if you keep promising all the times we never had. But I ain't frontin' anyway. I went through all of this before, back when I was never paid. I learned from those mistakes, I had to save up, just in case like those of wrench I could quickly fix what's been broken in my life. I always thought I was worthless until I got on my shit. No one could tell me nothing, I ain't going out like a bitch. I'm better than the ones who claim they live or claim they rich. Been building my foundation up so I could live. I made my way within the town, but I ain't shit yet, so I ain't got no time for the chit chat. There's no words, just love song gone wrong. The best way to cope when you're not with me, I hope we get along. The only way I make your favorite song is if we stay in touch with experience that we lost. There's no words, my feelings still remain numb, so you ain't gotta take the time to play like we in love. I'll leave it up to the next one to stay within my timeline where I don't have to catch up.
I, as a person, have found myself and know what I want to do in life. You know, and a lot of people will not see me as just, oh, this person is a hardworking person, she's passionate and whatever. People are gonna always see me as, oh, she's too voiceful, she talks so much shit, oh my gosh, she's so out there. And it's okay, you know, it's okay. I've learned to accept that not everybody's going to like me. Not everybody's going to accept what comes out my mouth. I get it. And not a lot of people are going to understand what I've been through in life. And that's okay. That's perfectly okay.